This is your guided meditation for pain relief by Shua. You are sitting in a comfortable place with your back supported. Take 5 comfortable deep breaths. Focus on your breathing. Feel your breath and let go. Make an intention that you will make the pain and discomfort go away from your whole body. You can close your eyes while taking a deep breath, reaffirming that your pain and discomfort from the whole body is going away. Let's take 5 breaths again. Focus on your breathing. They can be a little deeper. Relax your face. Keep breathing. And put a gentle smile. Start feeling that your body is more relaxed and your skin from head to toe feels smoother, healthier, and softer. Keep breathing smoothly, deeply, and slowly. Let's begin our counting from 25 to 1. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing, and you should be in a more relaxed state. Feel that you are breathing easier, more smoother, and every breath is healing you at all levels. Let us begin to relax, starting from your head. Relax your scalp, your forehead. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jawbone, your mouth. Relax your lips, your chin. Keep breathing. Let go. Relax your ears. Relax your neck, your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your hands and fingers. Keep breathing. Let go of any strain, any tension in your body. Relax your upper body. Relax your abdomen area. Relax your back, your lower back. Relax your pelvic area. Relax your buttocks area, your legs, your knees, all the way to your feet and toes. Relax your soles and heels. Relax. Feel at this time that your breathing is smooth, your body is relaxed. Feel good about yourself. Feel happy. Now let's give your pain a shape. Give it a texture. Give it a smell. Give it a taste. Give it a color. Relax your face and remember to smile. Look at your pain object. Feel the shape, the texture, the smell, the taste, and the color. Hold this object for a few seconds. Pay attention to your breathing. You must continue to breathe calmly. Now visualize that you're standing in front of a water body. You're getting ready to throw the pain object far away into the water. Feel the gentle breeze around you. The perfect weather, the calming wind. Your lungs are getting ready to inhale the clean and fresh air. You feel energetic. Thank your lungs for breathing calmly and deeply. You're feeling good with yourself and about yourself. Now hold your pain object in one of your hands, and I will count from 1 to 7. And on the count of 7, you will throw away the object with your full force far away into the water body. Are you ready? Let's begin to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can throw it now. You're seeing it falling on the surface of the water and going down deep into the water body. Stand in front of the water. Don't move yet. You are safe. Feel the breeze. Feel the calm. Feel the breeze and the calm. Feel the clean and comfortable surrounding around you. Keep breathing. Come back to yourself. Your eyes are still closed. I will count till 5, and at the count of 5, you will gently open your eyes and your pain will be gone. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes. Your pain is gone. You're smiling and feeling much better and stronger. Breathing feels easy and clean and light. Thank yourself, your mind, your body. Thank and wish well to everything that you have. And for this visual meditation, if the pain is still there, thank and wish well to everything that you have. And be happy.